Are your TikTok and views completely dead? Are you posting videos and literally getting $0? Well, it's not your fault. The entire game was completely changed for 2025. I'm telling you, if you're using last year's playbook, you're going to get destroyed. TikTok has literally rewritten all the rules, and the old strategies are completely worthless now. But what if I told you making a crazy amount of money from this app is more possible than ever if you know the new secrets? In this video, I'm giving you the new playbook for mastering the insane creators reward program to landing brand deals you thought were impossible. First and most important, this is the biggest secret on TikTok right now. You have to master the creators rewards program. And no, this is not the old creator fund that literally paid you pennies for millions of views. This is a brand new system designed to make creators rich for actually making good videos. But if you don't follow their new rules, you get $0. First, the easy stuff. You have to be 18 and you need a personal account, not a business account. And you have to live in a place like the US, the UK, France, Germany, Japan, or Brazil. And on top of that, you need 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the past 30 days. Now, this is the most important rule. If you forget this, you'll make no money. Your videos have to be longer than 1 minute. I'm serious. Those short 15-second clips, they're dead. They won't earn you a single cent from this program. Here's a secret the biggest creators are using. The algorithm now gives a higher payout rate to high quality original content. It's insane. They're literally giving more money to people who make better videos. Think clean audio, 1080p quality, and actually showing you know what you're talking about. TikTok wants to pay real creators, not just people copying trends. The new cheat code is simple. Create original, amazing videos that are over a minute long and give people value about one specific thing. All right, if you want to make life-changing, buy a house kind of money, this is it. Brand deals. And I'm going to tell you something crazy. You do not need millions of followers. In fact, brands would rather pay smaller creators because you actually have an actual community that trusts you. There are two ways to get this money in 2025. The first way is the official TikTok creator marketplace. This is easy mode. TikTok literally connects you with brands that want to pay you. To get in, you need 10,000 followers, you need to be 18, and you need to have a decent amount of likes on your videos. For the biggest deals, brands might want closer to 100,000 followers, but this is the fastest way to get your first brand deal. But the second method, this is where you can make an insane amount of money. You go to them. Don't just sit there and wait. I want you to pick 10 or 20 brands you actually love. Make your page into the best portfolio they've ever seen. Then you find their marketing email and you send them a professional pitch. I can't break down my entire system in this one video. There's just too much to cover. So here's what I did. I put together a free training that walks you through the exact step-by-step playbook that I use to make money online. So make sure to check that out in the description box below. But what if you have 0 followers? Don't worry, I got you. This is the speed run strategy. You can literally start making money on TikTok today with no followers using the TikTok Shop affiliate program. You don't need to be in the Creator Rewards program or have any followers. You just find products in the TikTok Shop that you actually like, make videos about them, and then put the product link right in your video. You will earn a commission on every single sale that comes from your content. You can literally make your first dollar on TikTok an hour after watching this video. Listen to me. The old ways of making money on TikTok are gone. It's time to stop wasting all your energy on strategies that don't work. So here's your 2025 mission, if you choose to accept it. 1. Go all in high quality, original videos over a minute long to completely dominate the Creator Rewards program. 2. I challenge you to start pitching the 5 brands you love every single week. And 3, start putting affiliate links from the TikTok shop in your content right now. If you're consistent with this playbook, you'll be on your way to building an insane, sustainable income on this platform.